Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua from Holy Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 67. This dua was requested by Musa alayhi salam when one person was killed and the matter came to Musa alayhi salam. And when Musa alayhi salam presented this matter before Allah for solution, Allah said, okay, say to the people they should buy a cow and then slaughter it. Any part of the cow, they should touch the person who is killed. So he will wake up and he will become alive and he will tell the name of the person who killed him. So when Musa alayhi salam came to tell the people, they said, are you joking with us? So then Musa alayhi salam said to them this dua, Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Auzu billahi an akuna minal jahilin. Auzu billahi an akuna minal jahilin. Auzu billahi an akuna minal jahilin. Auzu billahi. I request Allah for shelter. An akuna, that I may become minal jahilin, from the ignorant people. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I request Allah for shelter from being ignorant. So this dua is mostly we can use it at the time when there are more ignorant people and they are discussing, wasting the time, joking, backbiting, and saying something which is not allowed in Sharia. If you find these type of people, then you have to read this dua and then leave from them. Auzu billahi an akuna minal jahilin. Even if you think you are going to see some people and those people have no more knowledge, they will make joke or they will say something which is without any knowledge, then you have to read this dua and then go to see them. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Auzu billahi an akuna minal jahilin. Inshallah, Allah will give you protection from those people and you will be saved from the attacks of their talking which are outside Sharia, because they will become silent. Because of Allah's special protection, you protected yourself with this dua. When a person is requesting Allah with this dua, the angels of protection occupies him and the person is saved from all types of attacks of the people of ignorant. So people of ignorant are those people who make jokes, who talk unnecessary, and they are just to say the things which is no need, and they try to backbite the people, curse the people, they say so many things. So this way, when you are entangled in that situation, so you have to read this dua. Allah will make the way for you to be free from them. So inshallah, you will get to Allah's special protection there. Auzu billahi an akuna minal jahilin. I request Allah for shelter, for protection from being ignorant. Otherwise, if you are not to read that one, then you will be with them. What they will be doing, you will do the same thing. It means if they are joking, you will be joking there also. If they are saying anything, you will say the same thing. If they backbiting, you are backbiting. If they are cursing, you will be with them also. So this way, the better thing is that read this dua, then Allah will make your way from them, the separation, then you will be saved with the protection of Allah, inshallah, and you will get Allah's special rewards. Allah gave us tawfiq so that we should save ourselves from those people who are ignorant. Ameen.